Good morning, student. Student, from today onward, I would like to start the revision. So there is a chapter, real number, chapter 1, and revision is start. Please concentrate on all these topics. And the first is, there is a SCF and LCM. I hope you know about the prime numbers first. Prime numbers are those numbers which are either divisible by 1 or itself. Okay, like, and 2 is the first prime number. First prime number is number equal to 2. And there is a set of prime numbers. Set of prime numbers. There is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29 and so on. So student, you must know about the prime numbers. Now, there is a logic LCM. These things are required for this chapter. So here LCM. LCM is what? If we take two numbers, 3 and 4, it is the least common multiple. It is the least, meaning is least common multiple. So student, if we write the multiple of 3, these are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. If we write the 18, then 21, then 24, and multiple of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Student, the multiple which is coming first, it is 12. Second common multiple is 24. So what is the least multiple of these two numbers? It is 12. Right? The least common multiple of two numbers is obtained when we write the table of, suppose there are two numbers, then write the table of all these numbers, then find out the first multiple. The first multiple of both the numbers will be the least common multiple. So 12 is the least common multiple. There is another method to find the LCM. Suppose there is 3 and 4. So first we divide this number by 3. So 3 1 is 3, 4 as it is. Then by 2. First we divide by 2. So 3 as it is. 2 1 is 2. Then again by 2. Then 3 as it is. Then it is 1. Then by 3. 3 1 is 3. Then 2 into 2 into 3 is the LCM. It becomes 12. So to find the LCM, there are so many methods. This is the simplest thing. So the meaning of least common multiple is, it is the multiple of both the numbers. It is a number which is divided by both the number. If we write 6, 7, 6 and 9. So what is the LCM of these three numbers? So this first we divide by 2, it is 3, 7 as it is, then it is 9. Then by 3, 1, 7, 3. Then again by 3, 1, 7, 1. Then by 7. So LCM will be, it is 2 into 6 into 7, or it is for 12. 12 7 is 84. So LCM of these two numbers is 84. No? Student, there is a 9. 9 2 is 18. 18 into 7. It is 126. So LCM of these two numbers is 126. LCM of 6, 7 and 9. It is 126. Now student, next is SCF. It is also called GCD. GCD, greatest common divisor. It is highest common factor, or it is also called greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor. Student, if we write two numbers like 4 and 6, then we find which is the highest common factor and which is the largest number which divide both the numbers. So it will be 2. There is a number 2 which divide both the numbers. Or if we find the factors of these, factor of 4 is 1, 2, 2 and 4 also. Then factor of 6, it is 1. 1 is the factor of all the numbers, so no need to write this once again. 2, 1, 2, 3 and 6. So let us find the common factor. Common factor is 2. Common factor equal to 2, and student, it is the greatest also, because there is no other number which is the factor of these two. So it is the greatest common factor, and we can write SCF of these two numbers is 2. It is the highest common factor, or we can say it is the greatest common divisor. Means 2 is only a number which divide both the numbers. So it is the greatest common divisor also. Now, student, there is one of the important logic. Student, let A and B are the two numbers, are two given numbers. Let their LCM is L. LCM equal to L, and their SCF is H, and SCF equal to H. Then the logic is this: A into B equal to L into H. Means product of the numbers equal to the product of their LCM and SCM. It is valid for two numbers, right? The product of two numbers A and B equal to product of their SCF and LCM, right? There are four things. If three things are given, then we can find the third things. Suppose LCM is given, two numbers are given, then we can find the SCF. So this is a formula, and it is one of the important formula to find the one more thing. Now student, there is a question. Let given numbers are 263 and 576, right? Find their SCF and LCM and verify the result. Student, the SCF of these two numbers is 1, and LCM is their product 256. So it's very easily it is simplified. You can write LCM into SCF. It is 263 into 256 into 1. It becomes A into B. No need to multiply them. So it is A into B. So very easily it is verified.